Let's just go around and see if we can find any chairs today. All good. Turn around. So, let's see. Nice, good gear choice, Bryan. All clear. This is so much better than 8:30 a.m. traffic. Interesting. I'm trying to get off the street. I'm here to make him turn off my grandma. I gotta go. Bump, bump, bump. Okay. I'm not sure the third one. Man. Wow. That's fun. Yeah, clear, go for it. One more time. Oh. Thank you.
I got another one too.
Yeah. I'll come back later and get it. I'll be back in the front. Just put it on the porch or something and I'll get it.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll put it on the steps for you.
Okay, thank you. On my neck now. Well, yeah, keep it hanging on this side. Man, that's a workout. Go for it. Shit. It's the lowest in the neighborhood right here. Go for it. I'm doing this with a chair around my neck. Alright, well, that's good. That's right. And there's none there. Yeah, I'm going to continue the rest of the way with the shirt on my neck. All the stop signs down here are backwards compared to my street. So the next thing I'm on the road there. Wow. All the stop signs are backwards compared to my street. Alright, next road. Nothing here. I got on. You get the right way down here. Let's turn the fire down. I went down here and grab it. That pile of debris down there. I stayed on the left side because it's a lot easier to see. I like it on. And go. Let's see if the shirt's too. Let's see. Yeah, still there. I get up to the room. Oh, yeah. C-17 cargo plane. I hope you see it. I'll get off there. C-17 cargo plane right there. C-17 cargo jet right there. I don't know if you can see him. Man. That's not going to pump then. Well, when we're down the hill, Bryan, you gotta climb back up. Man, it's a workout. That's like a stop sign. This chair off my neck doesn't choke me. Alright, good. Clean up nicely. A little bit of stains in there, but good. Don't need that much time. Yeah, look at nice clear. Nice clear. Let's stay clear. Right there. long, low. Next chair. Thank you. You just go on YouTube and type in plastic chairs, it'll be the first thing you see. Thank you. We're hanging on left. Green flag. Nothing. That's right. Yeah, fine. You saw me yesterday. I actually saw you about 3 or 4 times yesterday. Oh yeah. Oh, shit, that's right. Green flag, go for it. I'm better than this song now. That's chair 2 for you. That's enough. Oh, we're done. Signing off now. Oh yeah, I think it's hot enough out there. What was it, 88.5? 100% humidity.